Good evening, sir.
Good evening, good evening.
Sir, actually, this is a part of my internship where I am supposed to ask three different questions. So, first of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ekta Gupta, and recently I'm pursuing 5-year BA LLB course, and currently I'm in my first year. So, sir, first of all, I would like to start with your introduction.
Hmm. Myself, Advocate Ayush Mal, practicing in Rajasthan High Court, Jaipur bench.
Yes, sir.
I am practicing from 2017. I completed my law from Delhi University
Okay, sir.
and basically handling constitutional, criminal, and public interest litigation matters in High Court and criminal trial in District Court.
Okay, sir. Sir, I'm feeling very fortunate to talk to you. So, can I please start with the questions?
Yeah, sure.
So, the first question is that what do you think, according to you, is the most important learning in life? It may be related to law, it may not be related to law, anything.
See, when we are talking about legal field and what life lesson we
Yes.
learn from court work is persistence.
Okay, sir.
You need to be persistent in life. Means you need patience
Yes, sir.
plus perseverance. And perseverance means persistence.
Yes, sir.
So if you need to do anything in life, you need patience and perseverance. So this is the biggest lesson in life.
Yes, so I'm experiencing it myself only when I'm looking for internship. So we do not get emails directly. We have to wait, and of course, I think this is what you are trying to explain to us.
Let me tell you one thing that if you are not getting replies on your email, if you are not getting a good senior, what happens is when a law student looks for an internship, they only target good law firms, they only see good seniors, but you can easily get opportunities in smaller courts, in district courts. You can go and find a good lawyer because what I have learned from my practical exposure is you need to be regular in your court work. You can easily go and sit in the court and learn what from other people are doing. You can understand the nuances of court craft from visiting court, and you can easily learn from any decent lawyer. You don't need to go to a law firm only to learn the court craft. If you want to learn the court craft,
Yes, sir.
you need to be very humble and honest in your approach. See, what happens is you can create a fancy CV by doing internships for a month in different law firms, different under different senior lawyers. But you can't learn everything in a month's period of time. So you need to be very practical oriented in your life. If you want to become a good lawyer, start from district court, give some time, learn from your observational skills, because something is there. If you want to become a good lawyer, you need to create your own way.
Yes, sir.
So you need to learn from environment, surroundings, from court craft, court clerks, court staff. There's everything. There are opportunities everywhere in the court.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I think I will keep this in mind that I should not go for top tier law firms, but start from the basic so that I could learn more things. So my second question is, what changes do you wish to see in the Indian judiciary?
For the Indian judiciary, the major thing which the top legal minds are also discussing is judicial vacancies.
Okay, sir.
There's a very limited number of judges are there as according to the population graphics.
Yes, sir.
The judges are very limited. So we need more judges, and we also need specialized judges.
Okay.
Because what is happening is today the law is developing, law is changing every day, and the crime, the system, the societal nuances are also changing. So we need judges who are very much advanced with the technology, judges who know the latest trends. So we need to develop the judicial training modules. Because today what is happening is the judicial module is very limited to textbooks.
Yes, sir.
We need to integrate the judicial system with different concepts, different theories, different theologies, then only we can have a good judicial system.
Yes.
And also we need to upgrade our judicial infrastructure.
Yes, so because there are piling up of cases but less number of judges,
Yeah.
so most
Yeah.
of the cases remains unheard.
Yeah. And also the judgments. Judgments should be made available in local languages, because what is happening is the people who deserves justice, they are not getting their judgments in their local languages.
Yes.
So sometimes they feel they are misguided by the lawyers. So they should be knowing that what is happening with them. So they should get the judgments in local languages. So one change should be adapted in the judicial system.
So the last point that you referred, this is something new that I have heard, that people need their judgments in local languages. So this is something that I have understood and I have learned recently. So yeah, I will keep this in mind also. So
Yeah.
my third question is that what message do you want to convey to the future or to the next generation regarding law, legal or judiciary or any other aspect?
See, one thing I would like to tell to the youth and all the legal aspirants who want to become a good lawyer, or first of all, to become a good lawyer, you have to become a good person in your life.
Yes.
If you are a good-hearted person, then only you can become a good lawyer.
Yes, sir.
See, what other person is doing, that should not be bothering to yourself. What he or she is doing, if your friend is getting an internship in a law firm or you are not getting it, that should not be your competitive module in your mind. The only one thing it should be there in your mind is that if you are ready to do hard work,
Yes.
you will achieve success in legal profession. One thing is there, if you can do hard work, you can start from scratch, you can start from a district court and you can travel up to Supreme Court.
Yes, sir.
But you need to be honest with your own self.
Yes.
Then only you can do justice to others. This
I
message
think that this is a very relevant point, sir, because I have myself faced this issue that my friends are getting internship or they're interning something which is not really important but for their CVs basically. So I feel very insecure that they are doing 10 or 5 internships in 1 month, but I'm not able to secure even one internship. But then I think that I should do only those internships that would prove relevant for me, or I would be able to learn something from them rather than just doing internship for the sake of making CV or resume.
Yeah, yeah. So see, if you want to become a good lawyer, you should start with the district court lawyer and give some time to district court practice, because that is the Bible of legal process.
Yes, sir.
If you start from district court, you will get to know everything, each and everything. You will be the best lawyer in higher forums.
Okay. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for taking out your valuable time and answering my questions.
Thank you.
It was a pleasure talking to you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.